So we all believe that t is the range for t starts from 0 to 2 pi. So we should have 0 goes to 2 pi in this case of sine squared t. And remember, by reduction formula, we believe that sine nx is always in this form. That is, we always have 1 over n and then times. Remember that we have sine n minus 1 of x. So I'm using t this time around, t, then times cos t, then finally added with n minus 1. Remember this formula now. That's a reduction formula for sine nx. So this is what I want to use. So then you put the limit as when t starts from 0 to 2 pi. So yeah, in this case, we believe that n is 2 sine squared t. So n is 2 in this case. Now, since n is equals to 2, you can go ahead and substitute. So I have 1 over 2 in this case. Then open a bracket. Then the next thing I'll have is sine t, right? 2 minus 1, sine t cos t. Then plus n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, that's 1. And I naught are sine power of 0 t, and that is no, there's a dt here, like I said. There's dt. There is dt in the formula, please take note. Okay, and there's dt in this formula. So now I also have dt here, right? So if I'm trying to find 1 I0, that means I have sine raised power of 0 t dt, and that's 1 dt. That should give us t. So I believe you understand that. So then you put the lower limits and the upper limit. So let's start. Here in this case, I should have square root of 2. Let's put for the upper limit. For the upper limit, I will have 1 over 2 times sine. Sine t is 2 pi, right? And I have cos 2 pi. Then plus t is also 2 pi. Minus, when I put for the lower limit, I will have 1 over 2 sine 0 cos 0, then plus 0, right? So that's what I will have. So the next thing for us to do from here now is to evaluate this out by saying sine 2 pi. 2 pi is 2 times 180, and that's 360. So what's sine 360, class? Sine 360 is 0. So this thing here becomes 0. I'm very sure cos 360 should be minus 1 or so. Cos 360 is 1. So 0 times 1, that's 0. So whatever I have left here is just 2 pi, right? So for the other part, what's sine 0? 0, because 0 is 1. And then whatever I have left there should be ordinary 0. So this becomes 0. 2 cancel 2. And then whatever I have left here is root 2, then times pi. So class, the final answer to this is just root 2 pi. That's root 2, then times pi. Okay, or you say it's just pi root 2. So this gives the final answer to that question. So D is standard. So that's how line integral in space works. No matter how they change it, all the only thing you just have to take notice to take note of the parametric equation, and that's all. Okay.